I'm Kyle Ford, Cointreau brand mixologist, and today we're going to be making a modern classic. Everybody knows the Cosmopolitan. And despite what you think of it, I think it is a drink that should single-handedly be applauded for bringing back the use of fresh juice. That said, we're going to show you how to make the best Cosmopolitan possible. So we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. Originally we used a citrus-flavored vodka, so if you have that on hand, that's great. If you don't, just use whatever vodka your favorite vodka is that you have at home. So 1.5 ounces, we're going to put that into our shaker tin. Measuring, because we want a consistent, great cocktail. Next we're going to use Cointreau orange liqueur, which was used in the original Cosmopolitan. This drink dates back to the 1980s. Now Cointreau is the original triple sec, but it has the least amount of sugar and it's 80 proof, so it makes a far finer cocktail when you're looking to make the best thing possible. So we're going to add 1 ounce of Cointreau. So just to recap, we have 1.5 ounces of vodka and 1 ounce of Cointreau. Next we're going to use fresh lime juice. I'm going to do 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Reason we use fresh juice is because the drink's going to taste far brighter, and if you're using quality craft ingredients, why would you want to muddy that with some bad bottled syrups and juices? Don't want to ruin the alcohol that you've already put in there. And then lastly, just to give it a nice blush, we don't want to flavor it too much with cranberry, but we're going to add 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Should give it a nice little pink hue. Now it's time to shake our cocktail. Add ice to your shaker tin and shake away. About 10 seconds on that until it's nice and frosty and cold until you can barely hold it anymore. Pull your tins apart. Now our cocktail glass has been chilling on the side, so this drink will stay nice and cold. Cosmo's become kind of iconic with this style of glass. So now we're going to strain our cocktail into our cocktail glass. Look at that, beautiful. Now some like to garnish this with a lime wedge. I like to pay homage to the orange liqueur, the famous orange liqueur that's in there, and garnish with a nice orange twist. Using what is essentially a potato peeler, it's called a Y peeler, just kind of pull it against the skin of an orange. So you get a nice piece of orange peel. With the skin side down, just kind of squeeze that over the top so you get all the awesome oils out of the peel. Rub the rim. That way every time you go to take a sip, you're going to taste nothing but orange. And drop it into the cocktail. Cheers, we have a perfectly made Cosmopolitan.